What's up everybody, this is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we're going to be discussing hidden features and how you can hide certain features from certain members. There are a bunch of different reasons why you might want to hide features from members, and there's a bunch of use cases I'm sure you'll find within your membership. One of the main reasons you might want to do this is so that you can segment out what members see what content within your platform and within one login. So you can have members that all log into the same place, but they see different things. And that can be structured by hiding features from certain members. After you're done with this video, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us on the Support Hub by going to Support Hub, and you can look through all of our FAQs here. These are just drop-down menus, or you can chat with us live, or you can submit a ticket, or you can click Help Docs, and you can look through all of Platform's documentation in more depth. If for some reason you don't have a Platform account, you can go to platformarea.com and you can start a free trial today. So now back to hiding a feature. The first thing that we're going to want to do whenever we're building anything in our Platform account is we're always going to want to log into our members area so that we can actually see what we're building. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to click View Your Application. And it's going to take me to the sign up page for this demo account. So now I'm going to go back to the Platform account. I'm going to go to members and I'm going to grab this member's login credentials. So I got an email and I'm going to grab a password. Now I got the password, I'm pasting it in and I'm going to click sign in. Okay, now I'm in my members dashboard. And I can see that there's a list of features that I have that all of my members can see right now and all of my members can access. Now some of these are paid and some of them are free. So I can paywall these off so that if somebody clicks into one of them, they'll actually be required to submit payment before they can see the content within it. Or I can just completely hide these from people too. So let's just go with this news feed, for example, right? So this newsfeed, if I go back to my Platform account and I find the newsfeed in my list of features, and I can see right here, feature status is on. That's why I can see it in my dashboard, in my members dashboard, but there's also a hidden feature and you can see it's clicked off. And that's the other reason why I can see it in this dashboard. So that means that all of my members can see this feature. It is paywalled off. And I have it set for a one-time $3 access. So if I come back over here, this member, Nikola Tesla, will have to pay $3 to access this. I'm going to go back to my dashboard and let's hide this. Let's say I want to hide this from Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla is in a separate group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click Save. And now what this does is it turns it into a hidden feature. So if I go back over to my member dashboard, as you can see, it's gone. Sometimes it'll still be there until you refresh. So if you refresh, now it's gone. Let's say I want to give Nikola Tesla access to that group feature, but this can go for any feature, but I want to give him access to that one that we just hid. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click this pencil icon, which is the edit profile. And you can see here, I have features here and you can see there's checkboxes. Now what this checkbox does is the news feed too is what we just hid from everybody. So I'm going to click this for Nikola Tesla and I'm going to update. So if we go back over to his dashboard and we click refresh, there's the news feed. He has access to it and now he can go ahead and unlock this feature. And that is how really simple it is to actually segment out your features and your members. One other thing that you can do as well is go back to the list of members and then you can actually do an advanced search and you can search who has access to what feature. After you do that and you select a certain person, you can actually export those members, you can delete them, or you can send all of them a broadcast. So what that does is it starts to segment out then your communications between your members. So it's like, okay, I want to send a message to everybody who has X feature, but I don't want anybody else to see that message. you can do that with hidden features and the advanced search. If you have any questions about the advanced search and you want to go deeper into that, there's a video for that in the help documentation, and it'll show you how you can slice and dice all of your members' data and filter them out through the advanced search option. So with this toggle here and the feature pricing, there's lots of different combinations and customizations that you can do to your platform that you just can't do in other builders and other membership sites. So that is one of the powers of platform, and that is how easy it is to hide features and customize features within your membership site. If you have any questions about this hidden feature or anything else in platform or how you can use it for your business, ask us in the live chat in the support hub. We will answer anything that you have, any questions that you have, and anything that you need to make this a success for you, we want to accommodate. So reach out to us on support, and I will see you on the next video.